And I'm proud of how far she's come, and so much of being able to get that done, and so much of taking that chink out of her armor where I could just deal with her, comes just from the ability to have this tool in my pocket where I could long line this horse, grab her by the butt with the outside rein, her want to buck or do anything, 20 feet away, zero fear of her bucking, zero fear of her running off. This is going to be the same thing that you experience. Is there's nothing to fear when you're that far away, so you can really stick to your guns. You can really shut that horse down. And if you're having a bad day with your horse comes out feeling a little spunky, do this first. Shut them down, see how hard it is. If they drag you, if you go redneck skiing behind your horse in this dirt, do not ride them.